Okay, well, the update is I've got the rear coilovers on and the upper lower control arms. Got the hub bolted on. I don't remember if I had that done last time or not. And so rear suspension is done, but I've got to get the rear brakes on. But I spent good parts of today trying to work out what throwout bearing I need. So here's the bell housing, and the clutch fork goes right there. The clutch came in. I've got it under here right now, out of the way. Looks pretty good. It's pretty heavy duty. And so I think I worked out the right throwout bearing, and I got that ordered. And I did get the flywheel bolts came in today, so. And also came in today the windage tray and oil pan gasket. That's this gadget here. That came in, so it's coming along. For tomorrow, I'm gonna try to put the brakes together. The brakes also came in this week. We were missing the rear Willwood brakes, but they came in. They are in this box right here. So, got the Willwood brakes, same style as the front brakes here, but they will also include the park brake or emergency brake. So that's it. Hope to have a productive day tomorrow.